What do you feel is more sexy on you? Is it a sari or is it a bikini?
Pajamas. No, I'll go for the third option. Pajamas. Because they're the most effortless and easy. See, bikini can be sexy because you're showing skin, but I don't necessarily believe that is sexy. Sari, I've not explored as much because I've done probably one film where I've worn a lot of saris. I'm still younger. But pajamas, I know, look very sexy on me. So I'll go with pajamas.
Do you feel fashion is like a virginity bubble today? You have a new trend every second day coming up, and how do you...
It's like a what bubble?
Virginity,
Virtuality.
Virginity bubble.
Virginity bubble.
Yeah.
This is the first time
bubble.
I'm hearing a term like that.
Exactly. So
Okay, if
It's
you,
a-
you can just
Yeah.
explain.
fashion is a virginity bubble wherein every second day you have a new fashion trend coming up. So how do you relate yourself to the fashion trends, and how much do you add value to this virginity bubble?
Okay, so I mean, yeah, the trends will keep changing. I don't think they change every second day. I mean, yeah, there are more trends more often than not. And also now I feel because of social media and because of the information age, we're aware of these various trends. Since I'm a youthful person, since I'm a youth icon, sometimes even I don't know of certain trends that are up and about because there's so many out there. The way I relate myself to fashion, like Jitesh said, movies and fashion, the industry and fashion, have a beautiful relationship. They go hand in hand. So me being a girl, me being an actor, being an actress especially, I love to doll up. I love to dress up. I relate myself to the trends the way they fit me. I won't go for a trend just because they're a happening trend at that time. I'll only make that my own if I feel like it suits my personality. Making a fashion statement and having a style statement is all about your personality and the person that you are. I feel just following trends like a blind, person does not ever serve the purpose. You have to have a direction to the trends that you follow.
Okay, most celebs and actors have a repertoire of stylists who keep giving them new designs and trends to follow. How much is your contribution toward your branding image as being a fashion icon? How much contribution do you give to that? And plus, you have a Sonam Kapoor who introduced a choker which she keeps wearing. So do you feel that you should be actually coming up with a style statement which has the Alia Bhatt tag to it?
I think if I don't try and make it happen, as opposed to people just point it out for me as the Alia Bhatt trend, then I think that's a way cooler trend as opposed to me trying to make anything happen. Like there was a time period where I was doing a lot of braids in my hair. And then people just started talking about how braids have become my thing. I didn't make it my trend because I wanted braids to be my trend. I just was enjoying that time period and then it happened to be that. So I don't think I'll ever force it. But if it does happen to become something that I do, then it's great because it's always nice to associate just one face and one name with something related to fashion.